Lulu, what's the matter? Are you okay, Lulu? Come on, Lulu. Eat something. You okay? Lulu, if you don't get up, we're going to take you to the vet. You know how much you hate the vet. Well, we've done a bunch of tests. And the good news is your dog isn't sick. She's just mad at you for not donating blood at the Red Cross. Okay, I'm on it.
Hi there. Can I help you?
I'm here to donate blood.
Well, you've come to the right place.
Cool, let's do it.
Thank you so much for your donation today. Please stay hydrated, don't do any heavy lifting, and most importantly, please thank your dog Lulu from all of us here at the Red Cross.
You taught me a lesson, Lulu. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, Lulu. Yay!